Hi there. This is Quinns, focusing on giving users informative solutions on unlocking any smart devices for legal use. The topic today is how to unlock iPhone 7 for free. If you know the iPhone 7 passcode, you can easily unlock a locked iPhone 7. But if you forget the iPhone 7 passcode, things will become tricky. The lock screen password on the iPhone is mainly used to protect personal privacy data, because once you forget the password on the iPhone 7, you can usually only reset it to regain access to the iPhone 7. All the data on the iPhone 7 will be lost. If you enter the wrong password continuously, the screen will display a prompt that the iPhone is unavailable or the iPhone is disabled. If you forget the iPhone 7 password, if you take the phone to the Apple Store or repair shop, it may incur a certain fee. This video will tell you how to unlock iPhone 7 passcode for free. When you come to this video, it means that you are not far away from unlocking the iPhone 7. Please patiently try the free ways to unlock an iPhone 7 without passcode in the video. Alright, keep watching and you'll get step-by-step instructions to unlock iPhone 7 free with the alternative techniques. If any solution here helps, make sure to subscribe to Quinns and that will be a big support to us. Solution 1. Erase iPhone feature. This solution is only available on iPhone 7 with iOS version 15.2 or higher. If your iPhone 7 does not meet this condition, please skip this method. If it does, there is an erase iPhone feature in this version. Many users may not know or ignore this feature because it will only appear after you enter the wrong passcode at least 7 times. Now, follow the steps below to try to unlock iPhone 7 without passcode for free. Enter the passcode and enter it incorrectly at least 7 times in a row until the erase option appears. On iPhone 7, it is called Erase iPhone. When you see the Erase iPhone option, click Erase iPhone, then click Erase iPhone again, then enter the correct Apple ID password and confirm the erase. The whole process will be completed in a few minutes, you just need to be patient. After unlocking iPhone 7 free online, you need to reset your iPhone according to your needs. Solution 2. Visit iCloud.com. If your iPhone 7 is not compatible with iOS 15.2 or above, there are still other solutions to unlock iPhone 7 Plus for free. You can visit iCloud.com to unlock iPhone 7 for free. But when visiting iCloud.com, you need to log in with your Apple ID account and turn on the Find My feature before your iPhone 7 is locked. The Find My feature in iCloud can help you unlock your iPhone 7. Now, please follow the specific steps below to try. Open iCloud.com page and use locked iPhone 7 Apple ID and password to log in. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll also be asked to enter the 6-digit code. You'll then be directed to the iCloud's homepage. Choose Find My. A list of devices that are linked to the same Apple ID and with Find My on will appear. If your device isn't on the list, try other methods to unlock iPhone 7 forgotten passcode free. If it's there, choose the locked iPhone 7, select Erase this device, select Erase button and let the erase process begin. After the erase is completed and the forgotten passcode and Face ID lock is removed, your iPhone 7 will be unlocked and boot up to the Hello screen. Solution 3. Activate recovery mode. The common point of the above two solutions is that they both require Apple ID to unlock an iPhone 7 for free. But what if you have forgotten your Apple ID? Don't worry, you can also access recovery mode free to unlock iPhone 7 passcode. Here is a guide on how to unlock iPhone 7 Plus passcode for free. Open the latest version of Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder on the computer. Then turn off your iPhone 7. Connect your iPhone 7 to your computer using a USB cable and hold down the volume down button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Feel free to try again if you fail at once. Then, go to Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder window. There will be an opening dialog box. To unlock iPhone 7 passcode without paying, click the Restore button. Next, choose Restore and Update, choose Next, select Agree and wait for the restore process to start and finish. There is a note that the recovery mode only lasts for 15 minutes. If the iPhone 7 leaves recovery mode and goes back to the lock screen, just enter recovery mode and repeat the steps to continue. That's all for how to unlock iPhone 7 passcode for free. If you have any questions about the problem, drop a comment below. If this video saves you out, tell us which method helps, and we'll appreciate that you can give this video a like and subscribe to Quinns channel. See you in the next video.